Ever wanted to put two photos together in one frame without using any editing apps? Well, you don't need anything extra at all. Because in today's video, I'll show you how to combine two photos into one frame using just the Google Photos app. Let's jump straight into it. First of all, open the Google Photos app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version so that you can access all the newest features without any issues. Once the app is open, you will see all your saved photos and videos in the gallery view. Now scroll through and find the two photos that you want to combine into one frame. After finding them, long press on the first photo, then tap the second one so both are selected. You will see a check mark on each selected image. Now look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Create option. A small menu will pop up with different choices. From these options, select Collage. Google Photos will automatically generate a collage preview of your selected images. Next, you will see different collage styles and layouts. You can swipe and choose the one that looks best for your photos. Once you are happy with the design, simply tap on the Save button. Hope this trick was helpful for you. If it worked, give this video a like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.